Standard Maths Chapter 6 Factorization of Algebraic Expression Practice Set 6.2. So first question, factorize. So now question is x cube plus 34y the whole cube. So to solve this we have one formula. The formula is like this: a cube plus b cube. So whenever you see first term is cube and second term is also cube like this, so it will split, formula will expand like this: a into b, sorry, a plus b the whole bracket into a square minus a into b plus b square. This is the formula for a cube plus b cube. So we will factorize this term by using this formula. So let's see how to do this. Now x cube. So x cube plus 64. We know that 64 is cube of 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So 64y the whole cube. So by using formula a plus b, that means x plus 4y, and then a square, so x square minus a into b, and then plus b square. This is the splitting of formula. So now we will find out the final value. So this will be as it is, x into x square, then there is no number, only 4, 4 ones are 4, minus 4 into xy, then plus 4 4s are 16y the whole square. So this is the answer. Second sums. So 125. 125 is cube of 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So 5p the whole cube plus q the whole cube. So by using formula, when we split, so a plus b, so here our a is 5p q, a plus b, then a square means 5p the whole square minus a into b, then b square, so q square. Finding value, this will be as it is. Now here 5 5s are 25, 25p square, then minus 5 1s are 5pq and q square. Okay. Third sums. 125. 125 is cube of 5. See, you have to keep by heart cubes at least up to 10. 1 to 10 or 1 to 11 cubes you have to. I have given in my previous practice set cubes of 1 to 15. So here 125 is cube of 5. So 5k the whole cube plus 27. 27 is cube of 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. So now when we split by using formula, so that will be a plus b. So a plus b, and then a square minus a into b, then b square. So 5k plus 3m will be as it is here. 5 5s are 25k, 5 3s are 15 km plus 3 3s are 9 m square. Here k variable will have square. So this is the answer. Fourth sums. Now 2l cube. See, 2 is not a cube of any number. 2 itself is single, so we have to take 2 common. 2 will be common, so L cube. So 2 को इससे divide means 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Yes. So this is the required number. We have to factorize this number and ये this will be in the beginning. इसको लेके चलना है. 2 तो ऐसे ही रहेगा and then this is A. So L cube plus 216. 216 is cube of 6. 6. And we have m, 6m the whole cube. So now by using formula 2 will be as it is, then a plus b as it is, then a square minus a into b, then plus b square. So 2 L plus 6m, then here L square minus 6lm plus 6 6 are 36 m square. This is the answer. Fifth sums, 24a cube, 81b cube. Now 24 and 81 is not a perfect cube of any number. There is common multiple. So first we will take out that common multiple. 3 8s are 24 and 3 27s are. B cube. So this is the common. Now we have to split it. So again 3 will be carried down. This is A. A is what? 2A, the whole cube. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. And B. B is what? 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 3B the whole cube. So A and B. So splitting will be 3 will be as it is. Then A plus B, then A plus A square minus A into B, then plus B square. So 3 2a plus 3b will be as it is. Then 2 2s are 4, 4a square. 2 3s are 6, 6ab. Then 3 3s are 9, 9b square. Okay. So this is the answer. Sixth sums, y cube plus 1 upon 8y cube. So first y cube plus 1 upon 8, that means 1 upon 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So 2y, this whole term is raised to cube. 1 we can show any numbers of times. 1 को कितने बार भी multiply करो वो 1 ही रहेगा. So this is the required term. This is our A and this is our B. So when we split them according to our formula, so A plus B, then A square. So that means this minus A into B. So A into B and then plus B square. So now see, y plus 1 upon 2y will be as it is. Here y square will also be as it is. Here see, this is multiplication form, and y numerator denominator, it will get cancelled, so we will be left with 1 upon 2, and then 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. वेरिएबल का स्क्वायर वैसे ही रहेगा. So this is the required answer. Seventh sums, a cube plus 8 upon a cube. So first we will write it in a cube plus 8 is a cube of 2. 2 upon a, the whole cube. So by using formula a plus b. So here this is my a and this is my b, and then a square. So this is my a, then minus a into b. So a into b, and then plus b square. Then further a plus 2 upon a will be as it is. Then a square minus c, numerator denominator get cancelled, so only 2 left, 2, and then 2 2s are 4 upon a square. So this is the required answer. 8 sums solution. See, 1 we can show number of times, so 1 cube, then q upon 125 means 5, so q upon 5 cube. So by using formula a plus b, so this is 1 plus q upon 5, and then a square, so 1 square minus a into b, and then b square. So after splitting, 1 plus, this will be as it is. Here 1 minus 1 into q upon 5 plus q square upon 5 5s are 25. This is the required answer for these sums.